Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
Are you at home?
Yes, I am.
Are you at home?
Yes, I am.
Did you eat lunch?
Yes, I had a sandwich.
Did you eat lunch?
Yes, I had a sandwich.
Are you tired?
Yes, a little bit.
Are you tired?
Yes, a little bit.
What are you watching?
I'm watching a movie.
What are you watching?
I'm watching a movie.
Is the store open?
No, it's closed now.
Is the store open?
No, it's closed now.
Where is your phone?
It's on the table.
Where is your phone?
It's on the table.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, it's my favorite.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, it's my favorite.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny.
Did you call your friend?
Yes, I just did.
Did you call your friend?
Yes, I just did.
What's your favorite drink?
I like lemonade.
What's your favorite drink?
I like lemonade.
Where's the remote?
It's on the couch.
Where's the remote?
It's on the couch.
Are you busy now?
No, I'm free.
Are you busy now?
No, I'm free.
Where is the bus stop?
It's around the corner.
Where is the bus stop?
It's around the corner.
Do you need water?
Yes, please.
Do you need water?
Yes, please.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did.
Can I borrow your pencil?
Sure, here it is.
Can I borrow your pencil?
Sure, here it is.
Is your room clean?
Yes, I just cleaned it.
Is your room clean?
Yes, I just cleaned it.
What are your plans today?
I'll relax at home.
What are your plans today?
I'll relax at home.
What's for breakfast?
Pancakes and juice.
What's for breakfast?
Pancakes and juice.
Are you going to the gym?
Yes, in the evening.
Are you going to the gym?
Yes, in the evening.
Did you finish your homework?
Yes, I did.
Did you finish your homework?
Yes, I did.
Do you like cats?
Yes, they're cute.
Do you like cats?
Yes, they're cute.
What's your favorite fruit?
I love apples.
What's your favorite fruit?
I love apples.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can.
Where is your backpack?
It's in my room.
Where is your backpack?
It's in my room.
Did you see the news?
Yes, this morning.
Did you see the news?
Yes, this morning.
What are you cooking?
I'm making soup.
What are you cooking?
I'm making soup.
Do you know her name?
Yes, it's Emma.
Do you know her name?
Yes, it's Emma.
Are you at work now?
Yes, I am.
Are you at work now?
Yes, I am.
What are you reading?
I'm reading a novel.
What are you reading?
I'm reading a novel.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I do.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I do.
Is it cold outside?
Yes, very cold.
Is it cold outside?
Yes, very cold.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can.
Where is the cat?
It's under the chair.
Where is the cat?
It's under the chair.
Did you charge your phone?
Yes, it's fully charged.
Did you charge your phone?
Yes, it's fully charged.
Where is the restroom?
It's down the hall.
Where is the restroom?
It's down the hall.
Can I help you?
Yes, please.
Can I help you?
Yes, please.
Is your friend coming?
Yes, she is.
Is your friend coming?
Yes, she is.
Did you call the doctor?
Yes, I did.
Did you call the doctor?
Yes, I did.
Do you need a jacket?
Yes, it's cold outside.
Do you need a jacket?
Yes, it's cold outside.
Where's your passport?
It's in my bag.
Where's your passport?
It's in my bag.
Can you play the guitar?
No, I can't.
Can you play the guitar?
No, I can't.
What's your favorite song?
I like Imagine.
What's your favorite song?
I like Imagine.
Did you lock the door?
Yes, I did.
Did you lock the door?
Yes, I did.
Is the TV on?
Yes, it's on.
Is the TV on?
Yes, it's on.
What's your favorite flower?
I love roses.
What's your favorite flower?
I love roses. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.